Cars attached and the locomotives.
Oh.
It's their bell and horn, but I won't do the horn right now. I'll do the bell. And you can do the horn. I'll back it up for a bit.
So I've been to trains for pretty much my whole life, but I started rail fanning. This is basically a term used to describe a person that likes taking videos of trains, and I've been doing that since August 6th, 2017, and I honestly enjoyed that hobby so much. And you could often find some beautiful locations. You could also find some really interesting locomotives that might be rare to find, but like I pretty much appreciate any locomotive I find.
The thing that we really talk about a lot in the virtual learning is flexibility, and so whether it's flexibility of schedule, timing, the courses they take, it gives them a chance to do interesting things, and this opportunity obviously came up for Tyson, which was fantastic given his passion for trains. And
so putting CTC is centralized traffic control. We are putting traffic control systems from Calgary eventually all the way up here to Edmonton.
Yeah.
So this year, we've finished off the red gear. This year it'll be in service.
I remember hearing that the red gear was going to become a secondary mainline with the CTC signals.
Yep.
And especially with the, what else? The reduced stuff. There is some signals on there.
Now that's called ABS.
But I remember telling them everything I know about those, about like horns, locomotives themselves, bell models, especially with railroad crossing stuff, which I've recently gotten into, and they were actually pretty impressed with my knowledge.
Parkland School Division, where the world opens up.